In this video, we'll show you how to customize the layout and general appearance of your quizzes. We'll be working on a quiz that we created earlier, so if you want to know how to create a quiz from scratch, then please watch the video titled Adding and Customizing Questions. Once you do create your quiz, you can customize its layout by going to the Layout tab here. Here, you can change the color of the answers to your questions. However, if you want to change the color of the questions themselves, you can do so from the text formatting box that appears when you are typing them. You can also change the font size from here and the padding from here. The padding refers to the space between the text and the border of the quiz. You can also choose to display your quiz in a pop-up. If you check this box, you'll be able to also choose the icon that will appear for the reader from here, as well as change the position of the close button of the pop-up from here. We won't be showing our quiz in a pop-up for our example, so we'll uncheck this box. You may also customize any labels used for buttons or messages inside each question set. To do that, go to the Labels tab here. On the left column, you will find the original labels used by default for your questions. On the right-hand side, you will be able to change those labels through the input text fields. The Reset to Default button will restore the custom labels back to their original ones. To view more general and advanced settings, click on the Options tab. Here, you will find a variety of questions that will allow you to customize your quiz to your liking. We will go over some of the most important ones. You will first see the option to display your quiz as a whole or one question at a time, and the reader can use the next and previous buttons to move between the questions. Next, you'll find the option to choose the language you'd like to use when displaying submission buttons and answer reports. For our example, we'll be choosing English as that's the language we're using. But if you choose French, for example, here's how it's going to be shown to the readers. Another useful option is to allow readers to save their answers so that they can access them again when they reopen the ebook at any time. To do this, go to the Persistence tab and check the box next to Enable Saving Answers. You can either choose to save the answers automatically or add a save button that readers can click whenever they want to save their answers. And that's it for our example. Let's click on Edit. To view what we did, we'll click on Preview here. After you're done creating and customizing your quiz, you can hover the cursor on it to view more editing options. Here, you can move it up and down the page, duplicate it, open the editing window, and last but not least, you can apply many effects to the quiz's layout by choosing different styles from here. And that's it. In the next video, we'll show you how to set scores for your quizzes and how to receive your readers' responses. Stay tuned.